the wheelchairs are so important to all of the disabled dogs.
I love new wheelchairs. They're really good, they're really strong, because they use them every day, every single day. And then we're gonna show all the wheelchairs for our dogs and see how they're gonna react, see how they're gonna be happy, and maybe gonna be like, oh yeah, that's my new wheelchair, we're gonna go for a walk. They're probably gonna be really excited.
The wheels, you know, they're literally just like the dog's legs. The dogs can run around, play and do exactly what they do before they became disabled. And they just love it. I'd just like to say a huge thank you to everyone who donated to this wheelchair fund from all over the world. We really didn't think we were going to raise enough money for 11 wheelchairs, so thank you to everyone, it's been amazing.